Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions. You need manage server and manage roles, otherwise nothing will work. Once confirmed, make sure CarlBot is invited with manage roles and the correct OAuth scopes. Now open server settings, then roles, and create or select a dedicated role for CarlBot. Assign a clear name like CarlBot and save basic settings. This lets you modify specific permissions. Make sure the role exists before moving to channel level or role-based overrides. This is the foundation. Once the role exists, place CarlBot's role above any roles it must modify. Role hierarchy is critical. Next, assign that role to the bot account in members. Then go channel by channel or for the whole server and edit permissions. Add the CarlBot role and allow specific permissions like manage roles, send messages, manage messages, embed links, and read message history. Make sure not to accidentally deny core permissions. Deny overrides allow and will block functionality. Save changes and proceed to testing. You finish by testing. Execute a CarlBot command that assigns or manages a role, or run a moderation command you set up. If it fails, pause and check the role position. CarlBot must be higher than the target role, and inspect any deny overrides at channel or category level, because deny wins. If permissions still look correct, re-invite CarlBot with the manage roles scope and required intents. One key tip: audit the server's permissions overrides before changing bot code. Most issues are hierarchy or deny conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.